Northern Ohio, and we got a big old snow day. It's coming down really good. Dog's coming back. She's going out. Yeah, it's coming down really good. This is that Alberta clipper that is coming through. There's another one tomorrow, actually. It's back-to-back systems. Supposed to get 3 to 6 inches from this one. I bet we'll get that amount from the next one. So, yeah. It's very pretty. This is only our second real snow of the year, believe it or not. This is, again, Northern Ohio. Craziness. You know, how can it only snow by the middle of January twice? It didn't even snow. We got maybe a quarter of an inch all December because it just was too warm and it all turned to rain. Craziness. I would go out, but to be frank, I'm just letting the dog out. There she is. Yeah, it'd be coming down really good right now. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a like, please subscribe for more admittedly sporadic content. And yeah, thank you.